In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter recovery phrase in Coinbase Wallet tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to import an existing wallet using your recovery phrase safely and confidently. Start by opening your Coinbase Wallet app. Make sure you're using the standalone Coinbase Wallet app, not the Coinbase Exchange app. Once it loads, give it a second to sync so everything on the home screen is up to date. Next, log in with your account. This signs you into the wallet profile you use on this device so you can access settings and manage wallets. If you use a device lock like Face ID or a passcode, complete that now to proceed. From the main screen, head into Settings. You'll usually find the gear icon in the corner of the app. Settings is where you manage security, wallets, and backup options, so it's the right place for importing with a recovery phrase. Inside Settings, tap your account. This section contains your wallet management tools. You'll see options related to existing wallets and ways to bring in another one if you've used a different device or app before. Choose Import a Wallet. Importing lets you bring an existing wallet into Coinbase Wallet, so you can access the same on-chain addresses and assets on this device. Remember, your assets live on the blockchain. You're simply restoring access using your secret phrase. When prompted for the method, select recovery phrase. This is sometimes called a seed phrase. It's extremely sensitive. Anyone with it can control your wallet, so only enter it in the official app and never share it with anyone. Select Enter manually. This gives you a secure field to type the words yourself. Enter your recovery words in the exact original order, separated by single spaces. Most phrases are 12 or 24 words from a standard list. They should be lowercase and spelled correctly. Turn off autocorrect if it interferes and carefully review each word before moving on. If you took the phrase from a paper backup, use good lighting and double check for misread letters. Once everything looks correct, tap Continue. The app will validate the phrase and begin restoring your wallet. If there's a typo or wrong word order, you'll be asked to correct it. After a successful import, your addresses and balances will appear as the app finishes syncing. A quick security reminder before we wrap up: keep your recovery phrase offline. Never store it in screenshots or cloud notes, and don't share it with anyone. Support teams will never ask for it. That's it. You've just entered a recovery phrase in Coinbase Wallet and restored access to your wallet on this device.